हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 1 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इंडिया इज ऑब्जर्व्ड नेशनल डॉक्टर्स डे एवरी ईयर ऑन, एंड द आंसर इज 1 जुलाई। Second question, in India, Goods and Services Tax Day is observed every year on, and the answer is 1 July. Third question, Chartered Accountants Day is observed every year on, and the answer is 1 July. Fourth question, International Fruit Day is observed every year on, and the answer is 1 July. Fifth question, SBI Foundation Day has observed every year on, and the answer is 1 July. Sixth question, what is the name of the world's first jet-powered flying humanoid robot developed in Italy? And the answer is Iron Cub 3. Seventh question, the world's first jet-powered flying humanoid robot in Italy developed by the, and the answer is Italian Institute of Technology. Eighth question, who became the first Indian to win a BWF World Tour title in 2025? And the answer is Ayush Shetty. Ninth question, which state secures the top rank in the Management Effectiveness Evaluation 2020 to 2025? And the answer is Kerala. 10th question, where has the Maharashtra government set up a hedging desk to help farmers? And the answer is Pune. 11th question, who has taken over as the 23rd colonel of the regiment of the Garhwal Rifles? And the answer is Dinesh Singh Rana. 12th question, who is said to acquire a 51% controlling stake in Sri Lanka's Colombo Dockyard PLC? And the answer is Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders. 13th question, recently the tenure of chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes has been extended till June 2026. Who is the chairman of CBDT? And the answer is Ravi Agrawal. 14th question, recently Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the newly established headquarters of the Turmeric Board in which state? And the answer is Telangana. 15th question, recently the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation launched which mobile application for seamless access to official data? And the answer is GoalStats. 16th question, in which state the marriage hall or Vivah Mandap scheme has been approved? And the answer is Bihar. 17th question, which state government launched Vidya Shakti scheme? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. 18th question, what was the theme of Statistic Day 2025? And the answer is 75 years of National Sample Survey. 19th question, which is the first Indian state or union territory to use artificial rainfall to reduce pollution in July 2025? And the answer is Delhi. 20th question. What was the theme of National Doctors Day 2025? And the answer is Behind a Mask, Who Heals the Healers? 21st question. Who has been appointed the first chairman of the newly formed Turmeric Board? And the answer is Palle Ganga Reddy. 22nd question. Who has reclaimed the world number 1 ranking in javelin throw in 2025? And the answer is Neeraj Chopra. 23rd question. What is the total length of India's longest animal overpass corridor? And the answer is 12 km. 24th question. Who has represented India at the 65th Independence Day celebration of Madagascar in June 2025? And the answer is Sanjay Seth. 25th question. In which state or union territory has the operation named Operation Bhilai been launched by the Indian Army? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 26th question. Who has been honored with the Dharma Chakravarti Award by the Jain community in June 2025? And the answer is Narendra Modi. 27th question. Which ministry launched the Adi Karma Yogi initiative in June 2025? And the answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. 28th question. What is the rank of India in the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025? And the answer is 3rd rank. 29th question. India's longest animal overpass corridor on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway has been unveiled in which tiger reserve area in June 2025? And the answer is Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. And the last 30th question. Where is the recently discussed Karyachali Island located? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. तो ये थे जुलाई 1 2020 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स MCQ। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है इंडियाज फर्स्ट ओवरपास वाइल्ड लाइफ कॉरिडोर हैज़ बीन बिल्ट ऑन विच एक्सप्रेसवे। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।